To install the rear panel kit on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park and remove the key. Begin by placing the lower rear panel between the rear intakes and crossbeams. If equipped with rear speakers, make sure bottom and corner seals are fully seated against vehicle panels. Then place the upper rear panel over the lower rear panel and tilt the top edge so that it rests on the inside of the upper crossbeam. Then the upper rear panel should rest on the outside of the lower rear panel. The top seal should rest on the inside of the upper crossbeam. Next, push down on the bottom rear panel and close the 3 lock and ride clamps. Finally, close the 3 upper lock and ride clamps. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.